Hello, this is Godly Energy, where we talk about dating tricks and success. So, buy my course. No, I'm just kidding. We don't do bullshit intros. So let's move straight on to text you just send to a girl to get her from going to this to this. This video will be nice and short, just like how we like things. Well, except our package, because we need them long. But let's get started. Number 1, the smirking emoji. Now, don't overuse this. Only use this whenever you're flirting or you say something that is either creating sexual tension or some sort of flirtiness. Then use this emoji. It is extremely effective, and it makes your text seem more flirty, giving off a better flirty vibe. I would often add a side eyes emoji to spice things up a little. They will associate that fun vibe with you. The thing is, girls will date you if you have a good vibe. They want to be with someone that's fun and exciting. Girls don't want to date you just because you're good looking. That's not how attraction works. If there are two guys in a room and one is extremely hot but boring, like a rock to talk to, while the other guy is kinda average but got hella charm, the girl will definitely go to the guy with charm since it's more fun to hang out with them. Charm is something that you can actually work on, so make sure to subscribe and watch my videos to become more charming. Like, I'm serious. I can help you become a more charming guy in minutes. Number 2, calling her a cutie. But this has to be used correctly in order to work. But don't use this all the time. You have to use this effectively when they're already in a flirty mood. When you two are flirting, don't just suddenly say, hee hee, you're a cutie. That's just weird and you can't really respond to that. When you two are talking, try to tell them that they're a cutie indirectly, not directly. For example, try to slip it into a response like, it's alright, cutie. It definitely works if they're interested in you. Now, number 3, any sort of text that will rock the boat. What I mean by this is any sort of text that will create sexual tension or make it more fun and interesting. These so-called nice guys are too scared to send texts that are flirty because they're scared the girl is going to get weirded out and never talk to them ever again. These flirty texts will make them think about you and associate a flirty vibe with you instead of a nice boy best friend they can rant to about this douchebag that broke their heart and how there aren't enough good guys in the world while you're just sitting there listening to it like, I'm a good guy. Number 4, just send nothing. When your gut feeling tells you shouldn't respond, just don't respond. When the conversation's over, it's over. Try to create another convo, but if she's being dry, then the conversation is over. Don't try it. Just try it the next day. Don't keep bugging them when they're dry, because it just shows they're not interested and you're not going to make any progress. Well, that's all. See, nice and short, just like how we like things. So make sure to subscribe and you'll be as cool as me, and soon you'll get all the ladies like Godly Energy does. And I'll see you guys next time.